Have you ever wondered who you truly are beneath all the layers society has placed upon you? What if I told you that discovering your original face could lead you to a state of timeless consciousness? In this video, we will delve into the profound idea of uncovering your true self and how it can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Together, we will explore the depths of your being, peeling back the layers to reveal the essence of who you are. By reaching this core, you can tap into a timeless state of consciousness that brings clarity, peace, and unparalleled fulfillment. To begin this exploration, we must first understand what is meant by the term original face. This concept originates from ancient spiritual traditions and refers to the pure, unconditioned self that exists prior to any societal influences or personal experiences. It's the essence of your being that remains constant, regardless of the external circumstances. Imagine a place within you that is untouched by the opinions of others, unscarred by life's challenges, and unaltered by the passage of time. This is your original face, your true self that holds the key to timeless consciousness. But how do we find this original face? The process begins with self-inquiry, a practice that encourages you to question the very nature of your identity. Start by asking yourself, who am I? And then listen to the answers that arise from within. You may find that your initial responses are influenced by your roles in life, such as being a parent, a friend, or a professional. While these roles are important, they are not the essence of who you are. Dig deeper and inquire into the nature of your thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Recognize that these too are temporary and do not define your true self. As you peel away these layers, you may encounter feelings of discomfort or resistance. This is natural, as the process of self-discovery often challenges long-held beliefs and patterns of behavior. Embrace these moments as opportunities for growth and remind yourself that the journey to self-awareness is a continuous process. Each step you take brings you closer to your original face, and with it, a deeper understanding of your timeless consciousness. Meditation is a powerful tool that can aid in this process of self-discovery. By sitting in stillness and observing your thoughts without attachment, you create a space for your true self to emerge. As you meditate, focus on your breath and allow your mind to settle. When thoughts arise, simply observe them without judgment and let them pass. Over time, you will begin to notice the subtle presence of your original face, a sense of inner peace and clarity that transcends the fluctuations of the mind. In addition to meditation, mindfulness practices can help you stay connected to your true self throughout your daily life. Mindfulness is the art of being fully present in each moment, without becoming entangled in thoughts about the past or worries about the future. By cultivating mindfulness, you develop a greater awareness of your true self and the timeless consciousness that resides within you. Practice mindfulness by bringing your attention to simple activities, such as eating, walking, or even washing dishes. Notice the sensations, sights, and sounds around you, and let yourself fully experience each moment. Another important aspect of discovering your original face is self-acceptance. This means embracing all parts of yourself, including those aspects that you may consider flaws or weaknesses. Recognize that these parts of you are also expressions of your true self, and that they hold valuable lessons for your growth. By accepting yourself fully, you create a foundation of inner peace and self-love that allows your original face to shine through. As you continue this journey of self-discovery, you may find it helpful to seek guidance from spiritual teachers or mentors who have walked this path before you. Their insights and wisdom can provide valuable perspectives and support as you navigate the complexities of uncovering your true self. Remember, The journey to timeless consciousness is not one that you need to undertake alone. Surround yourself with a community of like-minded individuals who can offer encouragement and share their own experiences. Moreover, it's essential to cultivate a sense of curiosity and openness as you explore the depths of your being. Approach each day with a beginner's mind, ready to learn and grow from every experience. This mindset allows you to remain flexible and adaptable, embracing the unexpected twists and turns that may arise on your path to self-discovery. By staying curious, you keep the flame of exploration alive, continually seeking deeper understanding and connection with your true self. In your quest to discover your original face, you may also encounter moments of profound insight or revelation. These moments, often referred to as aha moments, can provide glimpses of your timeless consciousness and offer a sense of clarity and purpose. While these experiences can be transformative, it's important not to become attached to them. Instead, view them as signposts along your journey, guiding you toward a deeper connection with your true self. As you progress on this path, you may notice changes in your relationships with others. When you connect with your original face, you cultivate a sense of authenticity and presence that can positively impact your interactions with those around you. You may find that you are more compassionate, patient, and understanding as your connection to your true self allows you to see the inherent goodness in others. This shift in perspective can lead to more meaningful and fulfilling relationships, enriching your life in countless ways. Additionally, discovering your original face can have a profound impact on your sense of purpose and direction in life. When you connect with your true self, you gain clarity about what truly matters to you and what aligns with your deepest values. This clarity can guide you in making decisions that are in harmony with your authentic self, leading to a greater sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. Whether it's pursuing a passion, making a career change, or simply living with greater intention, aligning with your true self empowers you to create a life that is rich with meaning and purpose. It's also important to recognize that the process of discovering your original face is not a linear one. There may be times when you feel deeply connected to your true self, and other times when you feel disconnected or lost. These fluctuations are a natural part of the journey and should be met with patience and compassion. Trust in the process and know that each experience, whether challenging or uplifting, is an opportunity for growth and deeper understanding. As you continue to cultivate your connection to your original face, you may also experience a sense of timelessness. This state of timeless consciousness arises when you are fully present in the moment, free from the constraints of past and future. In this state, you experience a profound sense of peace and clarity as the mind's incessant chatter fades into the background. This timeless consciousness allows you to tap into a deeper wisdom and intuition, guiding you in your actions and decisions with ease and grace. To support your ongoing exploration of timeless consciousness, consider integrating practices such as journaling, creative expression, or spending time in nature into your daily routine. These activities can provide a space for reflection, inspiration, and connection with your true self. By nurturing your inner world, you create a fertile ground for your original face to flourish and for your timeless consciousness to expand. As you move forward on this path, remember the importance of self-compassion. Be gentle with yourself and acknowledge the courage it takes to embark on this journey of self-discovery. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and honor the unique path that you are walking. Each step you take brings you closer to the radiant essence of your true self and the boundless wisdom of your timeless consciousness. In conclusion, Discovering your original face and tapping into your timeless consciousness is a deeply enriching and transformative process. By engaging in self inquiry, meditation, mindfulness, and self acceptance, you can peel back the layers that obscure your true self and connect with the essence of who you are. Along the way, you may experience profound insights, deeper relationships, and a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment. Remember to approach this journey with curiosity, openness, and self compassion, trusting in the process and embracing each moment as an opportunity for growth and discovery. As you continue on this path, you will find that the connection to your original face and timeless consciousness becomes more natural and effortless. This state of being is not something to be achieved or attained, but rather a recognition of the inherent wisdom and peace that resides within you. By nurturing this connection, you can create a life that is aligned with your true self, rich with meaning, and filled with a deep sense of fulfillment. So take a moment to pause, breathe, and connect with the essence of who you are. Allow yourself to experience the timeless consciousness that is always present within you, waiting to be discovered. As you do, you will find that the world around you begins to transform, reflecting the beauty and wisdom of your true self. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and let the light of your original face shine brightly, illuminating the path to a life of boundless joy and peace.